Welcome back to Dust. Here we keep, and today we have the Nike Air Max 90 Premium, and the colorway is Hemp, Summit White, Sandrift. It comes with two laces out of the box, one being the white ones and the other the brown ones. You got the premium materials all over. I mean, you got a very soft suede, you got leather, very soft sock liner. Well, yeah, I mean, there's not really much to say about these sneakers. They pretty much talk for themselves. I think Nike has done a pretty good job with these. Probably my favorite Air Max 90s this year, along with the Off Noirs, of course. I'm going to show you guys the laces as well. These are the white ones, which you can see, look, it's absolutely gorgeous. And here we have the brown ones. As you can see, they also go really, really well with the colors. So yeah, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, again, I'm going to keep this very short and simple. If you've had an Air Max 90 before, you know what the deal is. Alright, you know these are comfortable as shit. You know they look fucking amazing. Especially on feet. I mean, they go with everything. That's the thing that most people don't understand. They go with jeans, they go with trousers, whatever you want to wear, shorts. You can't go wrong with an Air Max 90. It is impossible. You got the white midsole, the white laces, and my white fucking socks. What else do you want? Now, I know most of you are going to say, bro, just calm down. It's just an Air Max 90. Get the out my face, all right? It's not just an Air Max 90. These are comfortable as shit. And I know, all right? I get it. The Jordans, they're brilliant. They have a high resale value. They look fantastic, but are they comfortable though? You got to ask yourself that question. Now you got to be careful with these as well. You know, I'm not gonna lie, they will get dirty quite easily. I can see that. I mean, it's got very light colors. The materials will not be easy to clean. But yeah, that's all for now. And if there's another sneaker that you want me to buy and review before you do, in case there's shit, let me know below. And I will buy them so you don't have to. And I will share it with you guys. Because I'm nice like that. Okay? So I will see you guys on the next one.